Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video today. Today's video is going to be my top 5 favorite pink lipsticks, and all of them are under rupees 250. So all these 5 lipsticks have been used by me and are in my collection for quite some time, and I really enjoy using them. So if you're interested in knowing more about these top 5 pink lipsticks, then please keep on watching. Before you do that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like my content and if you'd like to support my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will send you a notification. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Right friends, so I have my top 5 lipsticks out here. I'll be showing them to you one by one, and I'll briefly talk about them, and you will have to stick around till the end of this video because I will also be showing lip swatches. So let's start with the first lipstick. Now this lipstick costs only rupees 80. Yes, you heard that right. And I have already reviewed these lipsticks on my YouTube channel out here. I've also put lip swatches and stuff. So if you want to watch that video, you can go ahead and click on that video. I will try and link it in the description box. Otherwise, you can search it on my YouTube channel. So this is the Insight matte lipstick. So this is how it looks like. The shade I'm going to talk about is A6, and it's called First Love. So if you have watched my previous videos, I did show it in a haul video and how I couldn't get hold of this lipstick anyway, and then I finally found it in my local market. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It's a beautiful pink color, and I'm going to do hand swatch now. So just one swipe, and can you see the pigmentation? It's so beautiful. So depending on the pigmentation of your lips, this lipstick will show up a little darker or lighter. Towards the end of the video, when you watch my lip swatches, I have done all of them without applying any foundation or anything like that. So whatever it is, it will show up on the screen the way it appears on my lips. So this is the first shade. Now this is a pure creamy lipstick. I don't know why they are saying matte lipstick. It is quite creamy in formula. So when I swatched it like this, one swipe gave me an opaque finish. Now if you have dry lips, this will look horrible on your lips, so you have to exfoliate and moisturize. मतलब ये सारे beauty bloggers आपको बोलेंगे और ये बात सही है. Like if your lips are very crusty, then none of the lipsticks will look good on your lips. So definitely exfoliate, moisturize, wipe it off once you have moisturized, and then apply this, because otherwise it will slip away from your lips. The best thing to apply this lipstick is by using a lip liner. That way your lips के बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. And this lipstick is my favorite because it makes me instantly look fresh. I'm a big fan of pink lipstick, and this is totally up my alley. So yes, this was the first lipstick. I would highly recommend this to everyone who likes these kind of colors. So yeah, this was Insight matte lipstick, and it's only for 80 rupees, and you get it like literally everywhere on their website, on Purple, on Nykaa, and you also get it in local shops. So guys, definitely check out. And this was my first favorite. Alright friends, moving on, I have the second lipstick to show you guys. Before I start talking about this lipstick, I just wanted to mention that all these lipsticks are in bullet or in a pencil form. I'm not having any liquid lipstick as such. In fact, I dislike liquid lipsticks because I feel that they make my lips really dry. So I just have a handful of them perhaps, or maybe one or two liquid lipsticks. As and when I try in the future, I will definitely show you guys. So yes, I wanted to clear that before I move ahead. The second lipstick I have is from Bella Voste, and it is called the Bella Voste The Perfect Pout. It's a sheer creme lipstick from what I remember. I'll mention the name on the screen. And the shade number is 14. It says matte finish lipstick, and it says Love It is a name. Love It is the right name in fact for this one, because I really love it. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I feel this will suit more, people who have like fair to medium skin tones in particular. सो ना इन लोग मैट लिपस्टिक तो लिख रहे हैं, तो भैया ये मैट नहीं है, ये क्रीमी लिपस्टिक है. कैन यू सी दैट? देयर इज अ नाइस शाइन टू इट एज वेल, एंड यू विल सी दैट इन माय लिप swatch ahead. So it's a beautiful dusty rose kind of color. It's not very muted and it's not very bright. It is somewhere in between. It has a nice toffee kind of scent to it. Now the only thing I feel that this is a bit overpriced, but I guess this brand इसका क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है. तो ये 249 रुपीज़ का मिलता है. इसमें 4.2 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. इफ़ यू बाय फ्रॉम पर्पल नाइका, देयर इज डेफिनेटली like 30-40% discount you get, and you also have the offer of buy one get one free. So it's best to buy it. Then there are a lot other shades as well. This is the one I really liked. I had got this in a Glam Ego box, which was like a makeup subscription box, and from the time I got it, I really liked it. I've used it in many of my videos. So just showing you the hand swatch again. So this is the Bella Voste lipstick in Love It, and this was my second favorite. Moving on, the third lipstick I have is one of the most beautiful lipstick in terms of packaging that I own, and it is this NY Bay Runway Matte Argan Oil lipstick. So tell me you haven't seen this on my channel. Well, you have. I've already done a review of 3 shades, I believe, and उसमें मैंने lip swatches भी किए हैं. So you can go ahead and watch that video if you want. Now the shade I have is called Stage by 20, and this is my absolute favorite color among that entire range of Argan Oil lipsticks. So this is how it looks like, a very beautiful mauvey pinky kind of color. This will again suit fair to medium skin tones. However, I am not sure how it will look on deeper skin tones. So this is an Argan Oil lipstick. It goes so smoothly on the lips. It's like wow. I really would recommend this lipstick and this entire range. So ये mauvey kind of pinky color है. Can you see that? It has a hint of brown to it, but it's more on the pinky side. So obviously it is a pink lipstick, and that's how it looks. So it smells also amazing. It smells like a toffee, and it looks also quite luxe. Like if you carry this in your purse, if you apply it outside, people will be like, wow, ये कौन सा लिपस्टिक है, लाइक सुपर्ब है ना. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट द पैकेजिंग. ऑल्दो इट्स अ प्लास्टिक, बट इट्स नॉट दैट cheap, and it looks really nice and luxe, and moreover the formula is amazing. It may not be long lasting, it is definitely transfer proof, but on the lips, the way the formula is, the way it glides on the lips and stays on the lips is something which I really like. They have some 20 or 21 shades, so you can choose whichever shade you like. They have nudes, they have pinks, they have red, they have maroon, so you can go ahead and check out purple.com or on Amazon, where you can find these lipsticks. So I will link it in the description from where you can buy it. But yes, this is my absolute favorite lipstick, and this is the third one in this collection. Moving on, the fourth favorite pink lipstick of mine is a lip crayon, and it is from NY Bay again. It is the NY Bay Matte Lip Crayon. Now these crayons have come out like 3 or 4 years ago. It's not new to me, not new to the brand itself. I have used this like a lot. Can you see that I have actually sharpened it? There are times I have thrown like lip crayons away. I've hardly sharpened them once, but I have sharpened this like a lot. Now this shade name is Bad Guys Choice Number 4. Not a fan of the name, but I'm really a fan of this color. So this is how, can you see how beautiful that pink is? Like wow, I'm in love with this pink lipstick, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it because this might expire soon. I'll have to figure out what is the expiry date, but so beautiful. You can use it on your eyes and smudge it, and it will look like a beautiful pink eyeshadow. You can apply it on your cheeks and just dab it, and it will look so beautiful. Trust me, if I have to recommend one lipstick from today's video, it will definitely be this one. It's like a multi-purpose lipstick. Now it says matte, so which means that it goes creamy on your lips. Once you dab it nicely and set it, it will last you for like 5 to 6 hours. Once you eat, some of it will come off, but it will leave a light stain which will look really beautiful on your lips, which I really like. So the price of this one is 150 rupees, but it is totally paisa vasool, and they always have an offer, buy one get one free, or they have 50% off on lipsticks. So agar wo scene aata hai, then you can imagine one lipstick will cost you only 75 rupees, and they have 40 shades. So definitely उस पूरे रेंज में से आपको कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. I will try and do a review of all the lip crayons I have. I can't believe it, I still haven't done it. So I need to accumulate all of them because they'll be in different drawers in my house. So I need to find them and then do a dedicated video. So hopefully I will do that in a month's time. So for now, this shade is like OMG. I am in love with this. Pigmentation amazing, glides smoothly, sets nicely on the lips, does not go outside your lips. Moreover, it's long lasting, and the best part, it is easily available online, and it is only for 149 rupees. I'm telling you, there's no other better pink lipstick than this. I would highly recommend. And yes, this was the fourth favorite pink lipstick for today. The last pink lipstick of today is guessed from a brand. Can you guess it? Yes, it is from Blue Heaven. So मेरा lipstick video शायद incomplete होगा if I do not talk about Blue Heaven lipsticks. So I've already shown this in a previous haul video, and this is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Matte Lipstick. Now strangely, when I bought this, I wanted to buy more shades, so I ended up buying 3, and then I saw they have revamped the packaging. So pehle these were called like Walk Free Matte, and now it is called like Intense Matte. Although I feel the lipstick is the same, they just changed the name of the range and the packaging a little bit here and there. So this lipstick is one of the best pink lipsticks in that range. Now this lipstick was for 85 rupees, and I got it for like 60 when there was discount. So let me show you how it looks like. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It's a plummy pink color, and this is what I'm wearing today. Isn't it beautiful? So I'll just do a quick hand swatch. Yes, so this is how it looks like, and I am in love with this lipstick. Like I have used this quite some time. I've used it for quite some time, and you can see like काफ़ी use किया है मैंने, तब से मैंने ये खरीदा है, and I think it's totally पैसा वसूल. I'll definitely be buying a backup of this lipstick. I'm that kind of person. If I like a lipstick, I'll definitely buy a backup because very difficult to find certain shades in the Indian market, and for this price, like I said, it's for 85 rupees, and you get 4 grams of product. And if you buy from Purple, you get like 30% discount. So you can imagine like for what price you would get this. Currently the prices are hiked to 100, not much, still 100 rupees में lipstick मिल रहा है. इतना अच्छा formula है. Now the lipstick is little bit of waxy kind of formula, but it stays put on the lips. Can you see that? And it's not accentuating the fine lines on my lips, which I really like. And moreover, it smells decent. It's not like a bad chemical smell. It's a light sweet kind of scent to it. And they have a lot of shades. You can go for any shade you want, but today I'm talking about pink lipstick, and this is my absolute favorite, and I'm so looking forward to trying it again and again. So yeah, this was the last lipstick of it for today. Friends, so those were all the 5 pink lipsticks, my top 5 for this summer 2021 that I wanted to show in this video. I do own a lot more pink lipsticks, but I wanted to keep it short and sweet, and also the part of its affordability. I have more lipstick from Darling Isabella and this and that brand यहाँ वहाँ, but मेरे को सिर्फ 5 lipsticks दिखाने थे, and I think these brands are really affordable. Bella Vista, NYB, Inside Cosmetics, and Blue Heaven. Definitely go for these lipsticks. मतलब there's nothing that I can say that is not good about these lipsticks. They are really nice, especially the Blue Heaven one I'm wearing, and that NYB matte lip crayon. All of them are nice, except for the Bella Vista. I feel that I wouldn't repurchase it, but if I have to say which ones I would repurchase, would definitely be these 3 shades. One is the Argan Oil lipstick in Stage Wear 20. This is that matte lip crayon in number 4, and this is 310 Plum Desire, which is this lipstick I'm wearing from Blue Heaven. These 3 are the lipstick I would totally repurchase. So yes, these were the top 5 favorite lipsticks, pink lipsticks from my collection. Let me know which shade did you like. Any recommendations, please leave your thoughts in the comments section. If you have reached to this part of the video, please leave a pink heart emoji in the comment section. Also try to share this video on your social media. If you do, please tag me in that so that I can retweet it or repost it on my Instagram. To follow me on Instagram as well, I will mention my handle here and in the description box. So this is it for today. I thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.